Guys, I just want to highlight this really cool tool. It's called Tubebuddy, and Tubebuddy helps you to get your videos on YouTube ranked higher. And specifically, Tubebuddy is a free browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease to get that higher ranking on YouTube. So for example, let's take a look at Tubebuddy. It is a Chrome or Firefox extension. I actually couldn't get it to work on Safari. The guys at Tubebuddy said that it would integrate if I'm not mistaken, but I could not get it to work. So you're better off if you get Tubebuddy to have a Firefox or Google Chrome extension. But when you download this extension, it will be here once you log into YouTube. We're logged into YouTube, and it will be here to the right as it has a toolbar for you to drop down and see the menu. And one tool that I'm going to focus on is Keyword Explorer. Now, if you're new to Tubebuddy, this is one area you really want to get familiar with. It's really like the bones of what Tubebuddy truly is and what it does. So let's take a look at Keyword Explorer. And this is what you want to do, the preliminary, you might say, before even creating a video. Don't even compile a video until you do your research. That is key. Do your research, because you literally could be wasting your time. You could be in a field or a keyword that's so competitive you'll never rank on it, and it's like you're fighting the win, and you don't want to do that. And so I went ahead and highlighted a couple keywords, one keyword that's highly competitive and one keyword that's not competitive. It doesn't necessarily mean that you can't rank in it, but it just goes to show you, if you want to start somewhere and start to put out videos that can rank high quickly, I'll show you where to start. But again, you have to do the research on your own and really get familiar with it on your own as well. So you come up here to the keyword search bar here and explore some keywords. One highly utilized word or hard to rank for word is, and there's many, but one is keto, right? That's such a general term. Let's put keto diet, even that. Very, very general, a very general word. And if you notice here, with the free Chrome browser, you only get access to the unweighted keywords, which is very general, such as this word right here is keto diet. But if you go to the weighted, you can get the analytical data on that weighted word, and this is really where the numbers don't lie. So if we look down here at the bottom, notice that comes up, it says lowest video view count found in the top ranking videos. So the lowest view count is 6,000 views. That's a lot for someone just starting out, right? To have to compete with that. And notice the top ranked videos, they're 257,000 views. So you could be up against a brick wall, you might say, competing with these keywords. And that's the beauty of having a paid plan. You get these weighted keywords. If I'm not mistaken, it either starts at the pro. I think you get the weighted on the pro, and then you have the next plan up. I think the star plan, you get these weighted tool views. And so that's good to know. If you look to the right, you'll have the video searches, and these are some other long tail keywords that you could target for. And this is maybe some ideas of videos that you would like to make. Again, knowing, let's just click on one. It's a little long tail keyword. See, it's a little better. It's a little better to try to rank for, a lot better. Actually, look at that. Wow. That may be a keyword you guys can rank for. Keto diet before, after 2 weeks. So you would want to create a video around that and make sure you actually target this word in your video, and you can rank for it. Again, the competition is a little high. Let's go back to the weighted. it says it's fair. And one criteria for this little color bar is red means stop, green means go. So green means definitely a good keyword to write or create a video on. Red, you want to rethink it. And this right here, as mentioned, the video searches, you would perhaps want to create an alternative video in these topics, in these searches. And this is similar as well, where you can have different video topics, but no video related topics come up under this specific word. So if I was starting out with Tubebuddy to rank my videos, I would focus in on this Explorer. Do your research, create some videos around it, and again, once you create those videos, you want to put the tags in, and the tags will, once you load your video, once you have your tags in, you'll start to rank. So check out the Tubebuddy. It's a wonderful tool. I think you would really enjoy it. I think it will really help you grow your YouTube channel. So take care, guys, and if you like to try out Tubebuddy, I'll put a link in the description. You can check it out. And again, it's a free Chrome extension, but if you upgrade the plan, I'll get a portion of that, I think 30% of that. So feel free to check it out. Enjoy, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.